this is JEEM and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video ay magkukulay tayo ng aking buhok with cello wax in the shade of violet. So ipapaghalo ko po yung violet tsaka yung natural. And I got this for only 50 pesos. So see the description box below para sa o-order. So we will try this one sa hair ko. So, let us start. So, eto na siya. So, what is cello wax? So, cello wax is enriched with olive oil and argan extract. Parang shampoo na conditioner po siya na may kulay. Ayan. So, we will open this. Violet. Natural. Yan. So, ipapaghalo lang natin. Okay, so we will wait for 1 hour.
A few moments later.
So this is the result of the cello wax. Violet. So nasa description box po yung link para sa mag-order. And there are many shades to choose from for only 50 pesos. So I have chosen violet kasi marami yung nagre-request. Kaya ito na, violet na yung hair ko. So if you enjoyed this video, can you leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And shout out po kay Kuya Carlo, Ate Sai, and Heaven. Thank you for supporting and watching. That's all. Bye!